Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are using the Aloha Weekly Sticker Kit from my own shop. I will link it below so you guys can purchase if anybody is interested, but I'm just going to use this digitally again, and I'm just going to show you guys how I plan this week with this kit. Also, let me know what other kits you guys want to kind of see. If there's any kind of requests or anything, that would be absolutely fab. Also, if you want to see other brand kits from other digital creators, let me know and I can do some videos with them as well. I just seem to be creating kits and then doing little videos with them, just so that I'm kind of keeping it all kind of cohesive and stuff and up to date. Trying to be up to date with this one. This is this week's, so I hope you guys enjoy. I just want to add to it, guys, that I did forget to record my screen here, so I don't think you see too much more after this part, but I do show you the completed kind of version at the end. So yeah, sorry about that. I ended up forgetting to record my screen, but the next one will be much better.